K&I Car Show. Kevin Passman, Isaac Eubank. Thank you guys for tuning in. We love you guys and appreciate you guys, man. You guys are awesome. Today we're talking about a 65 Chevy C30 Flatbed. Another non-sexy car guy vehicle that we're gonna go over today that Kevin's family owns.
But it's cool to me, man.
I don't know what it is. It's maybe just your family, you know, you guys are into non-sexy cars, man, but...
well, it's an uncle by marriage, so it's not, he's not blood unsexy. You know?
Oh, man.
Started out as a camper, a huge over cab camper on the back of this thing, and it was my grandfather's, and it was just sitting there for years, and he took the camper off of it, and I think he built this flatbed and put it on there.
Is this what he uses to actually go get the cars that he buys and stuff?
No, it's I mean, you can pull a trailer with it, but
it looks like there's a car on the back over here.
There's a hood from the 64 Galaxy that they're working on the other side of the garage there.
Okay.
They just kind of set it up there while they're putting the 390 in there. And but it's actually, it was done maybe, I would think 20-25 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, he did all the work to it. Probably it was back in the 90s for sure. And he put these chrome wheels on it. It took the original 283 out, put a Vortec 350, and dressed it up. He's very meticulous too, so he did some really quality work.
Yeah.
But I think he's redoing it now because the restoration was so old.
I dig the tires, the chrome, you know, shiny. They look nice, man. It's definitely a work truck, though, right?
Yeah, it is a work truck.
Is that a small little? Is that a small little steering wheel?
No, I think it's a stock steering wheel, man. That is the one that came with it.
No, I don't think so. Go back to that.
Oh no, yeah, it is. It's a wood grain.
It's right here.
It's an aftermarket wood grain.
Well, yeah, that's cool.
But what I was looking at is the gas tank right here, and for some reason they like to put it right up in the cab with you, man. You can see the tank right.
Yeah, I never got that, man. I rent U-Hauls or just whatever, and the gas tank will be right there, and it's like, how safe can that be? I smoke a lot of joints when I drive just because that's what I do, and I would be so scared if I flicked an ash out the window, I'd blow myself up.
I think there's more of a chance of somebody hitting you in the side and rupturing that thing, and then it's putting the gasoline all over you, man.
Yeah.
Not only that, you're a tall dude, so when you go to push that seat back, there's not as much.
There's nowhere to go.
Doesn't bother me much.
Man, you know, so so it's ugly. I can't fit in it, and if I do drive it, it's a possibility that I can get blowed up.
It's a good time, man.
That we're looking at a truck actually rather than a boat, you know. This does look like it hauls boats, but it's cool. It's a truck, man. A diversity.
Diversity.
Yeah, man. You know,
you've never been concerned about diversity before.
Hey, man. You know, you've been helping me turn over a new leaf, brother. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm learning a little something on this show.
Although your blood's a little diverse, right?
My blood is super diverse, man. I am white, black, Spanish, and Indian. It doesn't get any more diverse than that. I got every freaking race in me except for Asian. So, yeah, I don't think I can get offended or really offend anybody when it comes down to it, hopefully.
Oh, you can offend people. I've seen you offend people. I know you don't don't like it. It's not sexy. You know, it's not cool.
Yeah, man. I thought we were gonna be like showing cool cars. You know what I mean? I thought we were gonna be just featuring like just straight up just sex on wheels. You know what I mean? That's what I thought we were gonna be giving these people. Instead, we've been giving them boats and work trucks and.
But it's cool to me, man. There's something about the character of these things, man. You got to get behind the wheel. You got to feel it. You got to see it and smell it. It all goes together, man. Something about it that you. Let's see what comes in on Trade Me. How's that, man? I just got an email for Trade Me. 1989 Datsun. No, I don't want that, man. That's not bad.
1989 Datsuns are not bad. They're not sexy. You see what I'm saying? You
not a truck. It's not
if you're gonna be getting, if you're gonna be spending money and having your wife, you know, or your girlfriend pissed off because you know you're not taking them out to dinner. You know what I'm saying? Because you're spending money on.
You know, there is an issue with me and my lady friend.
Might well ask yourself some questions before you get too serious about marriage.
When you show up at a car show and there's 4 '69 Camaros there, and you pull up in a French Panhard,
yeah,
everybody's coming to you to take a look, man. I guarantee you, everybody's coming to take a look.
I don't know what a French Panhard is. It sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Woo! Some of these boats would look dope if they were all rat rotted out. You know what I'm saying? You cut the fenders off. You freaking, you know, you throw some chains, you know, on there and freaking. I don't freaking know.
Throw some chains on.
Yeah, you know, like, yeah, you ever seen those?
Throw them up there. It's got chains.
It's got chains, man. They're really...
How much horsepower is that? I don't know. It's got chains, motherfucker. That's your custom job.
Yeah, man. I want some chains. I want some skulls. You know what I mean? Maybe a little, maybe like a little Day of the Dead. You know, freaking skull with a sombrero on it, hanging from the mirror.
Yeah,
man. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Okay, all right. Oh, we got some of that too. I've got. We'll get you some cars with chains on them.
Oh.
It's like the Mr. T version of a car, man. Big chains hanging off of it.
That's what I'm saying, man. Some N-word rich cars, son.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, you guys, man, this has been so much fun. I think that we've been doing it for like 10 minutes, hopefully. You guys keep tuning in. Hopefully we get some sexy cars. You know, Kevin, it's usually up to him to find the cars and to teach me about them and stuff like that. Like I said before on other episodes, if you guys send in some suggestions of cars you want to see, maybe you guys have some sexy cars in mind that you want us to break down and talk about and me to learn about, just let us know. Hit us up on Facebook at the K&I Car Show and we'll be more than willing to do that for you. Anything else you want to?
I think I'm going to go back to the drawing board and go back to the basics of cars for you and break you into the... I think I went with more refined taste.
You did. Yeah, too soon. Too much too soon, man. Too old guy. We need to try and, get these freaking millennials involved into this, get them excited about what we're doing. You know what I'm saying?
Well, a lot of this I did it out of just pure convenience because I was at these places anyway.
It's all good, man. No.
Two birds, one stone. Visit relatives, say hey while I'm in the country and get some video of the car.
Right. Yeah, for sure, man. Anyways, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Catch us next week. Peace.